the little bit of free time that I'm getting and whatnot, well, especially late night, so it's, 10:45. So anyways, so right now I'm working on blog posts on the website. So what these are articles that talk about certain types of dent repairs and all that kind of stuff, as far as, different topics and stuff. So stuff like, door-ding dent removal tools. So tools I've used for dent removal, stuff including, Allstate Insurance Company, detailers approve of paintless dent repair, PDR. Just quite a few different things on here. Dent repair on electric vehicles. What are some different things that, come up with, electric vehicles and whatnot. All the way down to PDR, so paintless dent repair, versus, move the mouse out of the way, auto body repair. So what's the difference between what we do for our repair methods and what a body shop does? So, at the end of the day, quite frankly, both, so let's just say hypothetically, you have a, 1/4 inch or 3-inch dent, whatever, on the side of your car. What's the difference in type of repair? So we're going to actually physically fix the damage, push it all the way back out, not, disrupt the paint finish, anything like that. What's a body shop going to do, for instance? Well, a body shop's going to typically grind all the factory paint finish off. They're going to use a stud gun and stud welder to actually pull the damage out. And then from there, they're going to end up getting it close-ish. And then they're going to end up filling it with body filler and paint and primers, and then repainting the entire panel and stuff like that. So anyway, so that's just kind of like, one little highlight as far as some of these articles we've got coming out here. So going through the actual thing before I shot the video, I think I counted 24 different website articles. These are all things that I've already typed up and have on the website ready to go. Actually, I shouldn't even say that. I didn't physically type them up. I'm actually working with a guy that's doing a phenomenal job on getting these things dialed in for me and getting all these articles written. It's a lot of them are some of the videos I'm doing here for Instagram Live with some of the information, but a lot of them are just straight up blog posts. So it's just content posted about something related to dent repair, something in the industry, whether it be an auto body thing, how do you save your car's factory finish? Nobody wants to buy a repainted car. Quite frankly, like think of it this way. So people, some people might be like, well, what's it matter? It's repainted, it's shiny, whatever. Again, who cares? So think of it in the extreme amount. So if you went out to a dealership right now to go buy a brand new car, hypothetically, and you had a car that had not been painted or had been painted, like repainted, like not from the factory, but like repainted at a body shop, which one would you choose? I don't think it's even a question. Like you wouldn't want the factory car repainted anywhere. Okay, I think that's a pretty fair assessment. So anyways, so not to go off on a tangent, but that's just one of the things that were covered in one of these recent articles. I've actually got articles posted that are going to be posting typically twice a week. So just, stay tuned, visit us on our website, SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. If you got any following questions or anything like that, feel free to go and read them or leave them down in the comment section here. And just keep following us along. We're going to be doing these daily videos and stuff like that, just kind of talking about what we're doing in the business and what we're working on. So unfortunately, I forgot to make the video earlier with the actual repair. So I had to make something to go along with the business. So this is what I'm working on now. So it's just scheduling basically blog posts for at least twice a week. So anyways, thanks again for watching tonight, guys. Appreciate you guys taking the time. If you need to reach us for any dent repairs, have any questions or anything about what we talked about in the video today, feel free to go ahead and give me a call at 605-250-1023. Am I going to MTE? Yes. Abso-freaking-lutely. So I cannot wait. I'm so excited so for some of you that are watching, MTE is the Mobile Tech Expo. That's actually the seminar. So basically it's like a dent repair conference or group get together, if you will, whatever, training seminar, all sorts of things. Every single year. It's supposed to be now twice a year at minimum, but the Vegas show unfortunately got canceled. So, and that's fine, understandable. So anyway, so they're having MTE in Orlando, and I think it's the beginning of February, if I remember right, like 5th, 6th, and 7th or something like that. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I'm going. So just to answer your question there, you know, no brainer. So anyways, like I said, if you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll get back to you on it. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Have a good night.